Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So, found out after chiseling and everything, these glued down floor joists, which are 2x4 in this case, that this little battery-powered oscillating saw works really well as opposed to all my labor.
This is our first time using it.
It actually is the first time. We got it for a discount for some reason. I just didn't ever use it. I've got a bunch of others, and I really like using this for cleaning off all that glued on stuff. So, back up there now. Still have to pull the staples out, but it's like my own personal bumblebee. So we'll just keep on. We're getting ready to put bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.